There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2019 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat in B5 blue. With HID headlamps, satin black painted hood, 20-inch low-gloss forged wheels, Brembo 6-piston front brakes, SRT performance spoiler, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, only 5,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, SRT performance pages, dual zone temperature control, power sunroof, 6.2-liter supercharged V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 300598.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.